have some onion, some garlic, yellow pepper, red pepper. And then we got Thai sweet basil, 2 chili peppers, lemongrass, 1 can of coconut milk, 2 tablespoons of peanut oil, 2 tablespoons of rice wine, light soy sauce, fish sauce, sesame oil, a handful of cubed leftover smoked turkey, 1 tablespoon of red Thai curry paste, or 2 if you like it hotter, good sized wok, this one hand hammered from the wok shop, really like this one. Right, light the wok, get it up to temperature. Don't take long to get hot. When the wok's smoking, put some peanut oil in. Then add the red Thai curry paste to get all the spices to release their oils. Keep the curry paste moving so it don't burn. Only takes a minute. Then stir in the onion. Keep it stirring till it begins to soften. Just keep mixing it through. Add half of the coconut milk. Stir it again so that all the paste is incorporated and has come to the boil. Then add the peppers and the garlic. Add a small amount of oil to the back of the wok and then add the turkey. And then get the lemongrass and break it, bruise it, so the flavours can come out, and then throw it in whole. Then give it another good stir. Then add the rest of the coconut milk and also a drop of water in the jug to swell it out. Now it's time to add the rest of the ingredients. Rice wine, light soy sauce, and then the fish sauce. And then a dash sesame oil, just for a bit of flavour. And then also a drop of lime juice. Then for a bit more flavour in a minute, you can add a teaspoon of crushed szechuan peppercorns, which helps with the flavour too. Makes your tongue go all silly. Then add a handful of Thai sweet basil. These are some frozen ones I had, so we just chuck them in. You really got to add them. That really makes a difference. And also 2 whole Thai chilies. And then sweeten with about 2 tablespoons of palm sugar. At this point I usually cover it for about 5 minutes to let the flavours combine. And then I take out the lemongrass. And then serve it with rice. Really easy dish. Really tasty. Gets the old taste buds going. So please like and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the bell to be notified of more videos. Thanks for watching.